Anyone would be happy. Alexa, flip a coin.
Heads. I got heads.
Alexa, what's on my calendar today?
We have a date at 3 p.m.
Right, no ideas. Alexa, what's the weather in Ibiza?
Currently it's